Greetings. Well, it's been about 6 months since Babet literally took the UK by storm, and I thought today was a great time to come out and have a look at what progress and repair work is being done to what I would regard is one of Sunderland's premier local attractions, the beautiful Roker Pier, a place synonymous with fish of them, dog walkers, runners and pushchair addicts. Now, I'm not sure if you know this, but I am the only person in the world that captured the devastation over the 2 days with stunning 4K drone footage. All of your other drone heroes decided to come out when there was no storm and plenty of sun. If you'd like to see that video, depending on the platform that you're watching this video on, the link very well might be on my description for my YouTube channel. So without further ado, why don't we fly out, see what's going on. Well, I think we can agree it's not going great, is it? However, it is fantastic news for Sunderland that we do have a film studio coming in the next 3 years. So I think if 20th Century Fox are looking for a location in order to film the next episode of the Planet of the Apes franchise, I think the post-apocalyptic look of Sunderland Roker Pier would be a fitting tribute to that of the original classic Statue of Liberty in the 60s original movie. You never know, every cloud. Well, it's been a fantastic trip back onto one of my favourite local haunts. Hope you found this video interesting. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. We'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.